In the previous class, we have seen about the number line, what is integer, how to represent the integer on the number line. If it is positive number means you have to move number line on the right side. If you are minusing the number means you have to move the number line on left side. And 0 is a neutral identity. These are the data we have studied. And now we are going to study about when you are adding the integer, what will be the result? Two different integer or same integer you are adding, what is the result you are going to see? In addition of integer, in general format I have given. Based on this we will do in the problem. So what is the first one I have given? If a positive number added with another positive number, your answer will be positive. For example, 4 positive number added with another number 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. Both are positive, answer is positive. Second condition. If a positive number added with a negative number, what is the condition? If the positive number is greater, then your answer will be positive. Example, you see 8 plus or bracket minus 2. Minus 2 is less, 8 is greater number. So 8 minus 2, 6 is the answer. So your answer is in positive. Then third condition. A negative number added with a positive number. If the negative number is greater, then answer will be in negative. Example, minus 9 plus of 2. Minus 9 plus of 2. 9 is greater, but it is having minus. So you have to do subtraction. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 is having a minus sign. So your answer will be in negative. Fourth condition. If both the number are negative, what is the condition? Minus 3 I have taken, addition of minus 4. Both are negative. Then your answer also will be negative. You have to add the number, put the negative sign. So minus 7 is the answer. Okay. Based on this basic idea, we are going to do the problem from exercise. One or two problems today we will do. Exercise 1.1. One graph is given and they are given 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In right hand side positive number, left hand side minus 5, minus 10 it is given. And each one is divided into 5 division. And one point near 5, after 3 division, they have mentioned Rahul Spiti, a place name. It indicated temperature on the scale. Temperature of the Rahul Spiti is indicated. Second, 0 to minus 5. Second line they are indicated Srinagar temperature. What is the temperature of the Srinagar we have to know. And here 5, exactly 5 they have mentioned Shimla. This is the temperature of the Shimla. It is a temperature scale. And here Ooty, after 10, 4th division they are marked as Ooty. It is the temperature of the Ooty. And in the 22nd line, 1, 2, 21, 22, second line, they have mentioned as Bangalore. This is your data given in your problem. What they are asking, first question. Temperature, what are the name mentioned in the scale, that means the line, number line, mention the temperature, what it is indicating. You see, first one it is given, Rahul Spiti. Rahul Spiti, what is the temperature of the Rahul Spiti? You see here the number line, 0 middle, minus 1, this is left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then what will be the next? Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So Rahul Spiti temperature is minus 8. So write it as minus 8. Clear? Write it as minus 8. Same thing go for Srinagar. Srinagar where it is mentioned after 0 in the left hand side. That means after 0 left side is minus 1, minus 2. So this indicate minus 2 here. So what is the temperature of the Srinagar? Minus 2. Then similarly for right hand side. After 0 this side will be positive. So what is there? Exactly they are pointed on point 5. So what will be the temperature of Shimla? Directly you can write it as 5 degree. And Ooty, it is also directly you can write, but it is on the division number. So where it is starting 10 up to 10 it is marked. What is the next line? 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 after that 15. So 14 is the temperature. So 14 is here. Ooty temperature is 14. So write it here. Then next name is Bangalore. Bangalore, what is the Bangalore temperature? You see 15. After that 20 they have mentioned. And after that 1 division, 2 division. That means 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It is in second division after 20. So it is 22. Understood? From the given line, number line, we are making the temperature, getting the temperature of the all the places. Okay? This is the first question. To find the temperature of the given places marked on the number line. One is over. Then second question. In the first question, A part we have completed. B part, what they are asking? What is the difference between the hottest and the coldest places? What is the temperature difference between hottest and the coldest places? Which is the hottest place in the number line? When you are moving right hand side, your number is increasing. Which is the last one? Bangalore. Bangalore is the hottest. Which is the lowest, coldest? After 0, it is in negative. Which is coming in the last number, that is called negative number. So the difference between Bangalore, what is the last number? Place indicated. Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti, that is what? Bangalore temperature minus of Lahul Spiti temperature. You have to find the difference. What is the difference? Let us write it in the color chalk, please. See, Bangalore temperature is what? 22. Already we have taken that one. Minus of, what is the Lahul Spiti temperature? -8. Bracketing. -8. So what is the difference between this one? 22 minus of -8. So it will become 22 plus of 8. That is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree difference is there. See, understood from the number line. From 0 to here, how much it is there? What? 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. So distance is 22. From 0 to this 8 is what? -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Total is what? 30 degree. Understood? That is the meaning here. Bangalore minus of Lahul Spiti temperature. Bangalore 22 minus of -8 means it will become positive. So 22 plus of 8, it will give you 30 degree. So the difference between the hottest and the coldest places is 30 degree difference is there. Okay? Next one. Temperature of difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. What is the Lahul Spiti temperature and Srinagar? These two temperature differences what they are asking. Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Lahul Spiti temperature is what? -8. Minus, difference means minus. Minus of Srinagar temperature is what? -2. So answer is what? Just now I told. -8 is first number as it is to come, and minus of -2 is +2. So your answer is -6. Understood? I'll repeat it. Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. -8. Lahul Spiti difference means minus. Srinagar temperature is -2. So -2 I am writing here. So minus of -2 will become positive. So -8 plus of positive. Negative number greater. So negative number minus of 2. You will get 6. This number sign will come there. So -6. Understood? And what they are asking here, the fourth question, temperature of the Srinagar plus Shimla is less than Shimla or is less than Srinagar. What they are telling, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, both you have to add and you have to check it with whether it is less than Shimla temperature or it is also less than Srinagar temperature. We have to check. So in temperature scale you see Srinagar temperature and Shimla temperature. Srinagar temperature is minus 2 plus of, because together, and Shimla temperature 5. So what is the answer? This is Srinagar, this is Shimla. So both you have to add, together they are asking. So you have to add. How much you will get? Plus sign is greater, minus sign is smaller. So 5 minus 2, 3 degrees Celsius it is given. Okay, we have got the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. What is your question? Is this temperature 3 degrees less than Shimla? Check it out. Shimla temperature is what? 5. Yes. Yes. Srinagar plus of Shimla temperature is less than Shimla temperature. Understood? Yes. Srinagar and Shimla temperature is less than Shimla temperature. Both you are adding means you are getting 3 degree. Shimla temperature is 5 degree. So it is less than. True. One is true. And second one they are asking whether this 3 degree is less than Srinagar temperature. Where is Srinagar? Minus 2. Minus 2. Second condition. No. Srinagar temperature is less than what? Srinagar plus Shimla temperature. Srinagar plus of Shimla temperature. This is your answer. See, once again I repeat, they are asking if you are adding Srinagar temperature and Shimla temperature, you will get one answer. Yes, they are getting 3 degrees centigrade. You have to compare this 3 degree with the Shimla as well as Srinagar. They are asking this 3 degree is less than Shimla temperature. You see, 3 degree we are getting. Shimla temperature is 5. No. Yes. Yes. It is Srinagar plus Shimla temperature is less than the Shimla temperature. Yes. True. Because this is 3. This is 5. True. Second condition, whether it is also less than Srinagar. See the Srinagar temperature minus 2. But our answer is positive 3. No. Srinagar temperature is less than Srinagar plus of Shimla temperature. Understood? Because this is minus 2. This is both adding is 3. So up to this one first problem we will stop today. And tomorrow onwards we will continue the second problem. And write all the things in your notebook, in your fair notebook. Okay? Thank you.